Hey, just really quick, I wanted to show you how to make the screen bigger when you are completing assignments in Google Slides. So I know it's really hard to see when we do assignments in Google Slides. One quick way to solve that problem is when you're on the slide, go right up here to where it says Zoom, click Zoom. And you can zoom in 100%. You could zoom in 200%. I'm going to click zoom 100%. And look at that. Much easier to see now. I can see the entire thing. Make sure you click on each line to type your name and to type in your answers. Okay? Remember, for the timeline, this is a type of graphic organizer. You are not giving full, complete details. You're using your note-taking skills to only copy down the keywords from the paragraph into the proper parts on the timeline. Remember, order and sequence or sequence paragraphs tell events in a specific order, whether it's from beginning to end or from end to beginning. Okay? Let's see how it looks if I scoop it up to 200%. So if you still can't see, 200% makes it much easier for you to type in. And then if you want to zoom it back out, all you do is go up here to zoom, the little magnifying glass. You can click fit to page. You can click zoom out. You can click zoom in. And just keep clicking it until the screen is large enough for you to see. Let me know if this helps or what other videos you would like to see to help you with your assignments.